Welcome to our Office Manager introductory video. This video will walk you through how an Office Manager can use our system to track projects, invoices, and general accounting issues. As an Office Manager, my main responsibility is to ensure that our business processes are executed as defined by our company. Our software lets you monitor every step of the processes, and of course, all processes are integrated with each other. So let's start going through this software. At the top of the screen up here, you see our top menu, which defines our main business process flow as we go across. Let's touch on each category, and then we'll go back and do a little bit of a deeper dive into the tracking, the billing, and the accounting. So let's get started. We first click on our resources, and here we can define the organizational structures and configure the system. In the CRM process, we manage all of our sales leads, from our customers to our projects to our additional services. In the next phase, we manage our current contracts and our project portfolio. Then we plan projects and resources in all levels of detail. In the performance phase, all of the employees fill in their timesheets and their expense reports. Then we can track everything in the system. Now we are able to generate high quality invoices with good backup documentation according to your customer requirements. And as the last step here in accounting, we can manage work in progress here, and we can export to payroll and to accounting functions. So let's go back and dig a little deeper into tracking, billing, and accounting. We'll start with tracking. In the tracking phase, you as the Office Manager can find the solution for one of the biggest problems in all organizations, chasing timesheets. So if you use our missing timesheet feature, it becomes very easy to chase these timesheets. We go to Approval and Missing Timesheets. Here we can see all of our resources and quickly see who has not started their timesheets. Over here we can see if any managers or team leaders are delaying the approval process for the timesheets. You can even configure the system to send out emails automatically. You'll also find tools up here that are available for you that allow you to move timesheets from one project to another, and you can edit or change the status of timesheets at any time. In the billing phase, the first thing often needed is an overview of all pending billing. Then we can generate our draft invoices for all projects. We encourage our project managers to electronically adjust and approve the draft invoices for their projects. So here we see a red draft invoice means nobody has approved the invoice. A yellow draft invoice means the project manager has approved it, and the green draft invoice here means that the project manager and the team leader have both approved it. You as an Office Manager can at all times keep an eye on all their adjustments by clicking here on our Invoice Adjustments tab. You are still the last step in the approval process. If your clients are not paying on time, you are in total control of the overdue invoices, and you can easily send out client statements. Another painful process for most companies is the reporting of their work in progress, or WIP, and how to deal with revenue recognition. Let's go to accounting. We've got a work in progress and our revenue recognition. WIP should be reported frequently and for each and every project, especially for the fixed price projects. You as an Office Manager can keep track of the WIP right here in revenue recognition. As you can see here for the Newberry Harbor project, we have a contracted value for $250,000. We have already invoiced the client for $150,000. However, we learned that the project manager invoiced the client based on a higher hourly projection than actually occurred. So we need to adjust the amount of revenue that is being recognized for this project. The actual revenue recognition based upon the new calculated project progress is only $62,500, which is a reduction of $87,500 as we see in this adjustment column here. Based on your chart of accounts and accounting model, account posting records are created. You can follow your financial development here in the accounting section. Here we can see our debits and our credits and the corresponding account numbers here. Here we see the $100,000 earned value that goes into these accounts. The invoice for $150,000 will add to these debit and credit accounts. And the adjustment in revenue recognition, the $87,500, is here. The final step in this process is exporting data to both our payroll system and our accounting systems. Our software allows for either a fully automated integration process, or you can control the integration yourself via import and export of files. You can easily export posting records to your accounting system, and you can export timesheets and expense report data to your payroll system. Let's take a look at our export payroll system. You can configure the system by clicking here, and then we can run the report here. The generated file will be formatted according to your payroll system, and you can download it here or import it directly into your system. Our system comes with about 80 reports that are pre-built and ready to use. However, since there's always the need for custom reports, our system makes it incredibly easy to build your own reports in a flash. So let's spend a minute and walk through how to build a simple custom report. So we'll go to our Reports tab up here. Here I see some of our pre-built reports. If I want to build a custom report, I just click the Build Your Own Custom Report link here. And for this example, let's assume that I want to know how many hours are spent by a particular customer and project. So let's define what data is in my report first. We'll go down to Fields, and I'll select under Project, Customer, and Project. And now for actuals, we only want the number of hours on project. Now I'm going to scroll down, and we'll select the time period for this report. And let's just click year to date. And so now we see our time periods here. And we can click Run Report, like so. And now we can open this right in Excel. And here the report is, and I can see all of my data, my customer data, my project data, and the number of hours. So as you can see, we'll go back. As you can see from our video, the Office Manager is always in total control of what is going on with resources and projects at all levels. You, the Office Manager, is always on top of every situation because you always have all the right information at your fingertips. Thank you for watching our video.